as you can see, we got another one. Quick update, for 3. He alright. I just cost him, 2 minor staples and a headache. That's really about it. But besides that, we here. And as y'all saw in the intro, he got the old John boat. My large head is in the way. But we got the John boat and the Honda. Just look at it. Just admire that beauty right there. You know what? Let's just get a better look at it. My old Wickham Bessel, the SS wig. And always, if you ever see me in public, I think I'm gonna have to get this out here. Yeah. Sub to Wig GTD. YouTube. But anyways, let's get her done. As you can see, I'm starting out with a little sexy colored spinnerbait right here. Sexy colored. This is actually one of your regular dollar Walmart spinnerbaits. So just gonna see how it does. Shout out to Tank Tungsten. Shout out to Lure Lock. Shout out to everybody that subscribe. And enjoy the time lapse while I get set up. Hello, you guys. I'm back again. Oh, the donkeys are here. Craig, Day, what's up? Yee. Yeah. You don't need no truck to get her done, you just get her done. Yeah. But as you can see, John boat looks dirty. But does it hold water now? We shall see. So far, no water's in the boat, even though it's not really in the water all the way, but just the back end of it. You should have. We're on the pond again. We're on the pond again. Okay. Apparently, I done grew up and became a lard. You know what? I don't know if YouTube demonetizes that word. So YouTube demonetizes that word. So oh my gosh! You know what? That's how I lost my daggone phone last time, man. Phew. That's going on the 2. I'm not even gonna leave that out. I'm not even gonna leave. What happened? I almost lost my freaking phone again. Like, I'm gonna have to work something out with this. This don't work here. It works, but man, you get too much of a heart attack. Goodness, man. Lure reviews. That's not my thing. But anyways, I'm just gonna make it a little bit interesting. Crankbait. That's my 5th lure. Give you an update on the John boat. It still has not leaked yet. Been sitting on the side of the bank for a little minute. Just heard the fish explode, and yeah, got a new crankbait by Ozark Trails, Walmart brand of fishing stuff, and just outdoors equipment. Period. I'm gonna go ahead and bust this open for you. And why do I got a new crankbait? Because I'm gonna buy crankbaits like that, and My other one's on display because it got stuck in someone's head. And I didn't want to get the same color because that's just bad luck. So I really like this crankbait. I've been seeing it. I just really never paid attention to the details on it. It got some light blue, dark blue. You know, I feel like that represents, you know, any bluegill. It got some green on that for the green sunfish. It has the long ears for the long ears. And it's kind of a different, all different types. So you know, what everybody call them brims around here from the country. And it also has that red on there. You know what those shell crackers around here have, that red belly underneath like that. So this right here represents a lot of different type of fish that bass will target. So I'm really excited to throw this on. That should be one of mine, and another one of my choices. And this is no order I'll be throwing these in either. And sorry about the wind noise if it's loud. It shouldn't be that too bad. It shouldn't be too bad on the water because I'm surrounded by a bunch of trees. So you just actually just hear the noise of it. And it's another fluid right here I'm going to use today. Soft plastic. It's a Christy Critter by Young. It's a 4.5 inch. The color is watermelon candy. Let me keep that out. I got your everyday stick bait, Senkos, whatever you like to prefer to call them. It's the watermelon red flake color. I got a decent 5 fluke right here. I really like these by Zoom. It's called the salty color is Salty Super. And y'all can see that guy right there. That has some nice color in it. Very, very nice color. Very nice. And last but not least is my old trusty Toad Buzz Bait by KBD. As you can see, this guy has been through a little damage. Gotta get me a little bit. This is top water. Not a way to not know. And I know I have a spinnerbait tied on already, but I'm probably not even going to include that. I am going to toss around a little bit. In the last lure I probably will use today, hopefully I can catch one on each one. Is a Chatterbait. I love this color. And I got the Salty Super color as a trailer. I really try to match the hatch with these colors, so I didn't really have an exact color, but it does have purple flakes in this trailer. Clear flakes, got a couple orange flakes, blue flakes. Just about the same color is on each, whatever you want to call these right here. It's in this trailer. I really try to match the hatch with each one. So. I just wanted to get a very close up of how clear this water is. I love it. I guess my hand in the water. I love it. That shit is clear. I mean, that's very good. I had a free-time line. I broke off on a tree trunk, so. Yeah. See what we do with this. When your freaking bail is closed. You have Trying to catch a fish, sometimes difficult, sometimes difficult. Fish on, fish on, yes sir. Oh my God. Yeah, I saw that right. Goodness, man. Goodness, man. He's hit again. Ain't gonna hit again. I'm so disappointed. 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 That I just freaking lost that fish. Man, I just knew I had one on. Well, I did have one on, but man, I just knew it was coming. Freaking. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Yes, sir. I was gonna get one before I left. Oh, yes. Let me get this camera flip around on you guys real quick. Jesus, yes. I needed that. If you hold this fish behind their gills, you put them in a temporary state of where they feel like they're paralyzed and don't move at all. So you just hold them literally right here, and he won't do much moving. So if you don't have a pair of pliers, come straight out. Yeah, this is still a guy right here. Nice little. You can see how actually fat, little chunk of this guy is, and it ain't really it's not really a big fish, you know, but even at this size, this, like you saw, it's pretty fun to catch. I ain't even gonna lie, and he actually put up a little decent hit. He wanted this crankbait, like I said, and it's the perfect little color because they got green, blue, and orange. Orange, you know, that's all the red. That's the that is the shell crackers color. You know, once they get big enough, they get that red belly. You got the dark blue, the light blue, the green sunfish. You got the colors of a bluegill, and then you see on the side right here, it's you got the long ear, you got the long ear brim, you got every type of fish, a fish. Oh my gosh, it's raining, guys. I got to go. Ain't that something? I catch a fish in the rains, and hopefully it don't start raining that much. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this back in the water, get a release. Get a thing about it. When it's this clear, you get to see everything. Like, get the release on them. Goodbye. Quick update on the John boat. It's a little damp on the inside, and that's only from where I had the paddles, because if you look in the back, there's no water. No water at all. You look back here. So Flex will actually work. All right, and that wraps this one up. As y'all saw in the title and the thumbnail, the Flex Seal does work. And just on the water that y'all probably saw in the John boat is honestly from my paddle. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. And so, like I say, the Flex Seal actually worked. I was type skeptical. Upload the clip below, you know, because I stuttered.
Have you ever had a dream that you you could you do you want you could do so you want him to do you so much you could do anything.
Upload the clip below, you know, because I stutter too much and I got to remind myself. So enjoy that little clip. Anyways, I was saying before I was stuttering again like I usually do because I need some help with my speech apparently. I don't know, something like that. But Flex Seal works. So if you ever got a little problem with your John boat, all you need is the Flex Seal and the Flex Glue. I went around and each rivet on the bottom of the John boat, I went around and put some Flex Glue on it. Let that sit, not even long at all, honestly, and then I just came back over with it with some Flex spray. And then some Flex Seal spray. And then after that, all I did was honestly came back and the next day added more glue to the rivets after that. After I added more glue to the rivets, the day prior I let it dry again. No problem. So long story short, Flex Glue on the rivets, spray it down with Flex Seal, wait 24 hours, go back with the glue over the rivets, then you wait again for another 24 hours so that can dry. And then you got your little fixed John boat. And besides that, enjoy me again. Besides that, like the bell, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. Once again, hit that bell. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified when I make new uploads. Besides that, that ends my peace.